Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to open this yarn. I just have one yarn here. I'll actually probably splice it in with another yarn video. It's just I couldn't wait any longer to open it. And I don't want to open any other yarn at the moment. I'm not really feeling up to it. I'm okay. I just don't really want to open any yarn at the moment. But I did want to open this one. So if you see, like, if I'm wearing a different outfit in the next video, it's because I couldn't wait to open it. I couldn't wait to open this one any longer. Plus I have something that I want to make with it. So this is a yarn I've never had before. Ever. I heard of it, the fabric, before, but I know, you know, and just up till recently I heard of the yarn, and it wasn't until last week or so that I even knew that they made it in anything other than a fingering or a lace weight. so super stoked about it. I hope I don't cut it. Like I said, I just couldn't wait any longer. I like to open it with you guys, and it came a couple days ago. I'm sitting looking at it going, gosh, I really want to open it, but I don't really want to make the yarn video just at the moment. But here it is. You guys ready? I'm so excited. You know what this is? I don't even know. Okay, so this is yarn made out of silk and seaweed. Seaweed. All right. Some of you might have heard of it already. All right. It is called sea silk yarn, and it's made from a patented, well, the sea silk is I do believe it's a patented company or a trademark company called Sea Cell, and what they do is they make fabrics and all kinds of stuff made out of certain types of seaweed. Most of it, I read, comes from Iceland, but they do get it from other places. I don't know a lot about it. Never even felt it before. In fact, there, you know, there's like more silk in it than there is seaweed. But I did read that seaweed was, you know, they take out anything bad it's that could be in it, but it's high in antioxidants and stuff like that, and a UV protectant, you know, stuff like that. It does have some good benefits. But anyways, I just thought it was cool, you know, to get some yarn that has made out of oh man, this is pretty made out of seaweed. Okay, so I went to this, like I said, I just recently learned they were making it and yarn, and then I could only find it in like fingering or lace weight. Well, I'm not a big fan of those. And then I found it in a DK. It's called double sea silk. So it's like, it's a DK weight. Well, it's supposed to be. So this particular DK weight, this variety, this brand, this particular one that I wanted, I could only find at this store right here. I had never heard of this store before. But I'll tell you what, they are really nice. So like, they have some, like, just a couple brands of yarn, nice brands of yarn, like Handmaiden, that's what this is. That's a nice brand of yarn. And another one, I can't remember, but a lot of this was back ordered. Yeah, it was like a 4 to 6 week back order. They didn't hardly have a lot of colors available. So I wanted to get 6 hanks because I wanted to make something a little bit bigger. Well, they had 3 of the hanks I wanted of one color, and the other 3 they only had one. And they asked me if I wanted to back order the rest. It would be 4 to 6 weeks. I don't want to back order that stuff. I wanted to have it for summer. So I asked them, I said, well, you're there and I can't see what solid ones, because they had variegated ones, you know, ones that were mixed up, you know, hand dyed and, you know, with different colors, and some that were solid. Which solid ones would go well with the 3 that I got? They took them all out, and they like put them side by the ones that they had, and put them side by side, took pictures of all of them, and sent them to me and told me which ones they thought looked the best. I thought I was like going above and beyond, but yeah. And it shipped it shipped priority mail. from Oregon. So yes, I would, you know, it was a nice company. I'm just excited to touch it. Ooh, it feels like, okay. That's nice, that's nice. Okay, so this is what it is. Handmaiden, that is the brand, Handmaiden Fine Yarns. Now, that is a very, very good brand of yarn if you've never heard of it. And this is a double sea silk. They also make it in a it's either a lace or a fingering weight, I can't remember. But it's 70% pure silk and 30% sea sail. So the sea sail is what's made out of seaweed. Isn't that super cool? I think it's cool. Hand wash only. Of course, I would do no other. It's made from, it's hand dyed in Canada. One of a kind, Swiss mountain silk. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 250 meters, or 273 yards. So yeah, I'm gonna say that. That's probably a good DK weight. The recommended for millimeter or so for, well, they have knitting needles. They don't have no crochet hooks. I guess us crochet folks don't like yarn like this. No, I'm just joking. So the color of this one is called crema, whatever. Now I will say though, this is a very nice brand of yarn, and so, you know, the price is probably going to reflect that. I don't know if they were $35 a hank. I know it's pretty expensive, but it's made with seaweed and it's silk. I mean, how cool is that? So look how shiny that is. My light's not doing it justice. It's actually like a brownish pink, you know. I love the brownish pink. South Victorian is brownish pink, super Victorian. It's more pink. It's showing up a little bit more tan. I can never get my lights to show anything correctly. I need new lights. I could turn on the bright one. I don't know if that's doing it any justice. Nah, it's a little darker than what it shows. I'm turning that off. It blinds me every time. All right. So, yeah, back here it looks better. Back here, it looks better. That, you know, it's like a brownish pink color is what it is. How's it feel? It feels like I could sleep on it in a big bed of double sea silk yarn. Yeah, that's what it feels like. I could just sleep on it, like stuff my pillow with it, use it as a mattress topper, you know, not forget about the mattress topper. Like I could just take all the water out of my pool if I had the means, you know, if I was a millionaire, and fill up my whole entire pool with just hanks of sea silk, and I would just dive in it. That's what it feels like I would do, and probably not even want to get out of it. That is nice. Let's check out their DK though. Okay, there it is. Oh, I think that is an alright DK. I would call it a little bit lighter side of a DK, but it's still good DK for me. I'm gonna roll with that DK. I'm gonna use that DK. Oh my gosh, that is soft. You have to get some. If you can, you have to. Remember, they have it in like a fingering, I think. Like I said, a lace or a fingering. I don't remember what it is. If you prefer that. The colors were so pretty. The other one that I wanted this one, and I think they had one called Mulberry, which was like a burgundy color, kind of mulberry color to go with it. But they were out of it. She said they messed up on the side, and I don't know, something happened. But anyways, so they showed me what they had that they thought would go good with it. And then, so I chose this one. And they said they thought this one looked the best. So I just went with what they said. This one is called Nori. So it's actually not black. It's like super dark green. If I hit it in the light right, I guess you can kind of tell. No, it's not black. It's just like the darkest green, kind of like super dark seaweed. I don't know, like dark algae. I don't know, but yeah, can you tell? You can kind of see the hints. It's like how would I explain it? It's like someone that is a beginner at dyeing yarn, and you know they're not extremely good at dyeing black, and it turns out to be green. That's what it looks like. But it's supposed to look like that because it's not black. It's just really dark green. They have black, but this one's a really dark green. She told me that it was just a really dark green. I like it. And she said that she thought they would go good together of what they had. And they gave me pictures of all they had. And I thought they would too. You know, I like that. It does look pretty black. I mean, I guess not next to my shirt. It looks charcoal next to my shirt, don't it? Does it look green at all? I thought it looks a little green to me, but it looks a little bit more charcoal. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's so soft and so shiny. Okay, so I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make something for myself for once. I'm gonna make a shirt that I like. Maybe a shirt. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I know whatever it is, it's not. It's gonna be. If I make a shirt, it'll probably be t-shirt style because that's what I wear. But I don't know what I'll do with it, to tell you the truth. I probably sleep with it tonight. I'm joking. I won't do that. Maybe not. Anyway, now I know. I did research this yarn a bit. I found it rather interesting to learn about that, this right here, that C-cell stuff. They make fabric and whatnot with it, but I found it rather interesting, you know, to read about it, benefits it has and whatnot. I think it's super cool. I've seen other companies have like this blend. They called it sea silk yarn. I don't know what it was, but had like cotton and a lyocell with it. I don't know if that was like the same or not, but I'm not sure. But I wanted this one because it was mixed with silk, Swiss mountain silk, and dyed in Canada. That's why I had to have it. I didn't know that part at the time, but no. I did know that it was mixed with silk, and then it was mixed with the sea-cell, which is the seaweed yarn. This is gonna be pretty. What would you guys make with this? Now these colors aren't gonna appeal to everybody. Of course, I know that everybody has different tastes in colors, but they appeal to me. I like them a lot together. Oh man, my favorite stitch is the Harlequin stitch. That would be very pretty in the Harlequin if I did those two together and made something out of that. Oh man, I think I would have enough yarn. It just sucks because this was the only place I could find that had it in DK weight, and their back order was it's like 4 to 6 weeks. I'm a pretty patient person, but when it comes to some yarns, I become a little antsy waiting around, you know. I guess I could do that though, but I'm just glad I got to touch it and feel it. You know, you see how shiny it is, right? I would say that it's shiny like bamboo, and as far as silk, it doesn't feel like raw silk. It feels like silky silk. Doesn't have any smell at all, like seaweed or anything. Of course, I knew it wouldn't. I knew it wouldn't. I'm just kidding. They're dyed it. They clean it and dye it and whatnot, but it just smells like yarn, clean yarn. And as I mentioned, the Handmade Yarn Company is an extremely nice, high quality yarn company. If you look up their other yarns, you'll notice right away that it is a very nice yarn company. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these because I've been like itching to open them, but I didn't want to open them without showing you guys first. Actually, this video is long enough. I might just make this one video and be done with it and show some other yarn on another day. So if you guys, what would you make with this seaweed yarn? Seaweed and silk. Oh, gosh, it's so soft. And I love that it's like a DK. It's a lighter DK, but I still love that. What a drape this is going to have. What a magnificent drape. I don't know. Look, I don't know. Yeah, this, like I said, it has hints of green in it when you look at it at different angles. And then sometimes it just looks like charcoal, I guess. But regardless, I think they both go really well together. Now, I'll have to wait, but one day, I'll go back and get some of the red mulberry color that I wanted. Not red, I guess. Pinky color. Dark rose color. But I'll have to wait because it'll be on back. I'll have to buy and wait 6 weeks to get it. But that's okay because I already have some now. And I'm super excited to have it. It feels wonderful. You guys should check it out. I mean, I'm just super excited because it's a new yarn that I've never touched before. Have you guys ever tried seaweed yarn? Well, this one's silk and seaweed. Other companies make it, but not, I think, so, you know, like I said, I think I seen Katia or whatever it is had some with cotton, but that one said cotton and lyocell, so I'm not certain. It could be very well be, but like I said, I wanted the silk one. I just wanted this one. This was the one I wanted. And they only had it in a fingering weight for so long, and all of a sudden I saw that this company had it in a DK, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta get that seaweed yarn. I have to. And it's every bit as extravagant and soft, actually it's more than what I thought it would be. It's just so beautiful. So yeah, that's where it came from. Remember, the making of the video, it is 6/16/2024. They have a lot of yarn in this brand. It's a very nice brand, like I said, in another brand. This particular yarn is, they didn't have a lot of colors that you could choose from. They had colors, but they were pretty much all back bordered, so like everybody like hit them up. So I don't know what happened, but they didn't have a lot. But I like the colors that I would have liked the darker mulberry that I got, but I think these two, I really like those as well. So I think I'm gonna make them work out into something beautiful. So yeah, check them out. I think, well, I'm 100% certain that if you bought that yarn, you would like super love it, especially if you like silky, drapey, soft yarn. I mean, who doesn't like that? You would love that. You know, you don't want to make a blanket with it. You know, that's something special. You want this yarn would be something special that you'd want to make somebody special in your life, or yourself. Make yourself something special because you deserve it. And this is a nice yarn to do it with. All right, I'll see you guys on my next video. I think I might draw out a little design using the Harlequin stitch and see if I can get a round neck on it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, take care. Bye, guys.